At Weston, the same things that drive you drive us. We value freshness, flavor, and knowing exactly where our food came from. Weston's Pro Series blender brings smoothies, juices, nut butters, even soups and flours to your kitchen with power and precision. It has a peak 2.4 horsepower motor and 4 automatic program settings for soups, smoothies, ice crushing, and grains. Combine that with an infinite speed control for precision blends and a pulse button for quick touch-ups, the Pro Blender is a true culinary blender. You can grind whole grains to make your own flour, process fresh veggies into hot soups, crush ice for the best back porch cocktails, or make smoothies to stay healthy on the go. An all-metal drive and precision-engineered stainless steel blade easily powers through frozen fruits, nuts, and ice at speeds over 210 miles per hour. The 64-ounce Tritan Jar is shatterproof and big enough for the largest tasks. The lid-integrated emulsion cup lets you slowly add liquids to dressings and marinades. The jar and all food zones are BPA-free, so you know it's safe for your family. An 8-year limited warranty gives you the peace of mind that our blender will be there for you next harvest season and many more to come. Cleanup couldn't be easier, giving you more time to enjoy your food. Weston's Pro Series blender brings healthy, homemade, fresh, and delicious food prep to your countertop. We help you process, preserve, and prepare the bounty of nature so you can be sure that your food will have the best flavor and nourishment for your family. At Weston, it's our pleasure to be there with you as you bring the field and farm to your table.